Come on, Mom.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Chelsea. If you're not new, welcome back. So you guys seen a little bit on my YouTube short and TikTok or Instagram. If you follow me on any other platform, I had my gender reveal last weekend. There goes some of the stuff that I got, but I didn't really record it. I planned on having a whole little video. That didn't work out, but that's besides the point. If you guys are new, make sure to subscribe and come along for this journey. I'm 20, married, and pregnant. Okay, so today is a good Saturday. We are a little busy. I made myself a little busy today. So it's 10:55. I was supposed to be somewhere at 11. I'm just gonna have to be late. I got home last night from my sister-in-law's birthday dinner at 12 o'clock, so girl had to sleep. Okay, I'm going to go somewhere for a couple hours with my youth group. We're having a field day. I'll show you guys my outfit in a little bit, and then after that I'm gonna come back here and clean up this atrocious room. I'm also babysitting my friend's dog. I have to stop by over there and clean up. Today's gonna be like part one of like spring cleaning and just cleaning in general, because obviously with a baby coming, I have to move out of my parents' house. I'm also married now. It's not, some married couples live with their parents, but I feel like that's when you're not expecting kids. So I did actually find an apartment with my husband. Just be productive. This is just a spring day in my life. Hopefully this motivates you if you need to clean something or anything. You just need to have fun. Just come along and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, this is the state of my room. Literally horrible. Like I clean all the time. I don't know what happens, but the bed is just like besides the point. I have a stroller in here. These are clean clothes, these bins, all of this. And I only have so much space, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. But I just ate breakfast. It was actually disgusting and I did not like it. So probably gonna stop and get more food. But this is my outfit. Gray shirt from Aeropostale. We have pants from Aerie. They're like purpley. And then my very dirty white clouds, iClouds, or whatever they're called. This is the baby bump update. Let's hit the road. Alright guys, so I'm at Target right now. My team was supposed to wear camo, and like I low-key muted the chat because they were just talking so much. I'm at Target to get a camo thing. I did go to the park and pay to already get in. However, not a lot of people were there, so I thought it'd be okay if I got in Target. And I'm also hungry because my breakfast was butt. So let's go to Target. Guys, I'm still here. It's now 1 o'clock. I literally went to Target, then I came to Publix to get a sub because I told y'all my breakfast was like blah, and the line is so long. And yeah, this is the shirt I ended up getting from Target. It was in the boys section for $10, so I just got an extra large, a size 14. It should fit me and baby girl. We're gonna now head to the park. It's now 1 o'clock. It started 2 hours ago. It's okay because when I got there at 12, nobody was really there. Let's go to the park and see everyone. It's probably gonna be funny. Just gonna be $3, beautiful. I'm just for the video. I literally have to post tomorrow. So hi. I'm about to play a game. I'm about to play this.
You're gonna play it?
Yeah, because this is like not.
But we did the egg and the spoon one, but that was ridiculous.
We won. I heard we won.
You did win.
Yeah.
People weren't like. Jordan was like, "Oh, if you drop egg, you gotta go again," and like nobody was really playing.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Too many people in one group. Somebody got to cheat.
No, got one.
Come on, mommy.
I gotta reset. Girl, we won.
It's like scary.
Yeah.
Hi, Chelsea vlog. It's Bree. I'm repping purple Team Regium.
She's the ops.
For today.
Yeah.
I'm the ops, y'all.
Here goes last place. Last place is Chris.
First place, DJ.
No.
See how he just jumped? No way. Was that Jaden?
That was OD. Oh. No. Okay, that was OD.
I was trying to get Chris and Jaden because they got us.
Nah, this is OD.
Okay, but game over. Game over. He was only trying to do 2.
After you punched me in the face for water bottle?
I just found out.
Yeah, no.
Not too much.
Anyhow, guys, don't play with people because the game is still not done. Hey guys, I'm home. I stink so bad. I left early. I'm about to take the trash out of my car. We have the car detailing guy here, but I don't know if he's doing my car. But alright y'all, so baby girl does not like leggings anymore, so I'm probably not gonna wear these anymore because it was just like a little bit too much pressure. You guys can probably hear the shower in the background. I'm about to take a shower. It's currently 4:38. Okay, the detailing guy is gonna clean my car. Obviously you guys see me take out all the trash. My clothes, I'm waiting for the washer to be done with someone else's load, so hopefully it's done by the time I get out the shower. I have to go dog sit at 6. I'm gonna leave here at 6. So I'm gonna take a shower and probably relax because I'm tired, thirsty, like I need to chill. Then after I come back, I should be back at like 7:30ish the latest. I will clean my room. Yeah, the plan with the cleaning the room is I was gonna deep clean, but then I'm like, 1, that's gonna take forever, and 2, it doesn't really make sense to deep clean. Like I'm still gonna be here and my room's gonna get dirty again. So the plan is just kind of like just make it look clean in here, and then once I like actually get rid of stuff, which will be like a video in a couple of months, once I like move out and start like packing to move out, and I'll start like obviously deep cleaning everything to leave it spotless. But for now, just like I can do my normal cleaning of what I do. Alright, chicas, I don't know if you can really see me, but I'm on the way to dog sit. It is 6:30. I know I said 6, but I don't want to focus on the wheel. Focus on me. My car wasn't done getting detailed, so I'll show you guys in a second how it looks. It smells great, looks clean. I am so tired, and like my whole entire body is like just aching. There's a mosquito in here, and it's been in here since yesterday, and it freaking bit me. And you know, like when you're pregnant, right? I got it. When you're pregnant, your skin is like more sensitive. I literally scratched my mosquito bite, bro. I have like scratch marks on my leg as if like some cat scratched. There's a package at the door. Alright, y'all boys, so the dogs are eating now, and that walk was actually good. I felt like it was actually very refreshing. I was just sitting there and thinking, that's good. It kind of woke me up too, so because I was so tired. I'm like okay now. Morning, beautiful people. My camera's dead. So good morning, guys. It is the next day. It's currently like 8:45. I sleep super late, and I tried to wake up at 7. I woke up at 7. Called my husband. My head was, I literally had a migraine because I just needed a little bit more sleep, so I went to sleep for a little longer. So we're gonna clean the room right now. It's messy, but I feel like I can clean it in like 20-ish, 30 minutes max. We're gonna tackle that, and then we are going to head over to my friend's house to dog sit her dogs for the morning, get some stuff out of here. But let's put my clothes in the dryer from yesterday.
It's hard to leave with you still.
Okay guys, obviously way better. Yes, it's way better. It's not perfect, but it's better. I'm about to enter my friend's house, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you. God loves you. Peace out.
While we do the